Do you need help finding the service tag on your Dell Vostro? Well, I'll show you how. Okay, if you don't already know, the service tag is a unique 7-character code that identifies your laptop in case you need technical support, look up warranty information, and find replacement parts. Now, more times than not, the service tag will be located on the bottom base cover. But if you can't find yours, don't worry, there are more ways to find it. When booting up your laptop, tap the F2 key until the BIOS or UEFI appears. Your service tag will usually be located under the system information section. Another method is to use the command prompt. Simply type WMIC BIOS get serial number and press enter. Alternatively, we built a tool on our site that does the work for you. There's nothing to install, and it'll also take you to a list of compatible parts for your model. Lastly, you can download and install Support Assist from dell.com/support. Once installed, the app will display your laptop's model and service tag. And there you go. Thanks for watching.